SEOJuice AI is a brand new AI software that has just been released, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're new to AI or just looking for the best tools to boost your digital marketing game, this review will give you everything you need to make an informed decision. Stick around till the end for an exciting offer you won't want to miss. First off, SEOJuice AI is designed to help you automate and enhance your SEO strategy. This tool leverages artificial intelligence to optimize your website, analyze competition, and boost organic rankings in ways that traditional methods can't match. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. One of the standout features of SEOJuice AI is its keyword analysis. It's like having an SEO expert at your fingertips. Instead of manually sifting through data, this software automatically generates keyword recommendations that are highly relevant to your niche. It considers search intent, competition, and trends, giving you an edge over your competition. This makes it ideal for both beginners and seasoned marketers who want to streamline their SEO process. Another powerful tool within SEOJuice AI is its content optimization feature. It not only checks for SEO best practices, but also suggests improvements that will increase readability and engagement. Imagine being able to write SEO-friendly content in half the time. That's what SEOJuice AI brings to the table, and trust me, it's a game changer. But SEOJuice AI isn't just about improving your website's ranking. It also helps you track your progress. With its real-time monitoring feature, you'll know exactly where you stand in search rankings. This tracking allows you to see the impact of your efforts and adjust your strategy as needed. It takes the guesswork out of SEO and provides you with the data you need to succeed. Another thing that sets SEOJuice AI apart is its ease of use. Even if you've never used AI software before, you'll find it intuitive and straightforward. You don't need to be a tech expert to understand how to navigate the interface and start optimizing your website right away. SEOJuice AI also integrates with major SEO platforms, making it easier to import and export data. This seamless integration ensures that the tool works well within your existing workflow, whether you're using Google Analytics, SEMrush, or other tools. It gives you a comprehensive view of your SEO health all in one place. And let's not forget about the time-saving factor. With SEOJuice AI, you can significantly reduce the time spent on SEO tasks. Whether it's content optimization, keyword research, or tracking rankings, this tool automates many of the tedious tasks that eat up your day. The more you automate, the more time you have to focus on growing your business. Finally, SEOJuice AI is affordable. For the value it provides, it's competitively priced, especially when compared to other high-end AI tools on the market. Plus, you can try it for free through the link below, so you can see for yourself if it's the right fit for you. If you're looking for an AI software that can enhance your SEO efforts with minimal effort on your part, SEOJuice AI is definitely worth considering. It's powerful, easy to use, and delivers results. Don't forget to check out the free trial from the first link in the description, and after trying thousands of AI tools, I've also listed some other recommended software you can explore in the description. Give it a try today and see how SEOJuice AI can transform your SEO strategy.